machinery. Today, I'm standing in one poultry farm in China. This farm has more than 30 years poultry experience. They has always used our cage equipment. Today, we'll show you one house of pullet house, which now is installing our cage. Let's go. We can see the pullet cage system are installing now. Today, we'll talk about the cage system, feeding system, drinking system, manure removal system, and climate control system. The cage put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, 4 tiers. One house totally feeds 33,600 birds. The house wide is 50 meters. The length is 60 meters. The cage frame is made by hot galvanized steel. It's very stable. With small fulcrums. The entire cage system without any welding. As you can see, no welding. It can keep a long service life. The distance between the two cage frames is 1.2 meters. As you can see, it's 1.2 meters. Each stall can be put 10 birds at least. Each bird is about 375 square centimeters. The partitions mesh in the middle divides the cage into 2 parts. It's very easy for chicken feeding and epidemic prevention. As we all know, when the chicken is small, it will sick maybe. So we need to make the epidemic prevention. The mesh also prevents the deformation of the bottom mesh. There are 2 nipple drinkers in each door. It's imported from Holland. The PP plastic manure is for small chicks. It can protect its feet, no hurt. We designed this lifting system for different age chicken drinking. As you can see, it can up and down. This part is for the stop area of feeding machine. It's 1.5 meters. For the different age of pullet, we designed this feed trough adjuster to keep chicken can eat the feed easily. It's not the whole part, because they are now installing. The PP material, manure belt, and the cage bottom. The manure are collected from each tiers and transported to the outside. Thickness of the manure belt is about 1.1 millimeters. It's very stable and can be keep a long service life. We designed a special connector to prevent the belt broken. The manure structure is designed with top type, bottom loose. It's to avoid the belt swearing. The scrubber can be adjusted. Then the part of the manure with the chicken feather can drop to itself. And the remaining part can be cleaned by the scrubber. All the manure will drop in the horizontal manure conveyor. Then transport to the dumpcart by vertical manure conveyor.
Hi Sunny, what's the length of this cage?
It's 1.2 meters.
But I have remembered you have used the 1 meter cage. Why not use it still?
In the beginning, we used 1 meters. There no partition mesh in the middle. Its operation very difficult for the chickens' epidemic prevention. So after more learning, we teach this began. Add the partition mesh in the middle. In the first, it can prevent the deformation of the bottom mesh. The second is, when the chicken growing, we need to make the epidemic prevention. If there are 2 birds, it's very difficult for the farm workers to know which the birds are ready. So we designed this system with 2 doors. It's more easy for operation.
Is for the feeding, how it's working?
Yes, it's for the feeder adjuster. The adjuster is for different age birds. When they are 1 week, we always put the small plastic feeder in. After that, the feeder will kick out. Then it's the working time of the feeder adjuster. During 2 to 4 weeks, the adjuster will lift in this place. You can see in this place. Then the chicken eat it from this part. After 4 weeks, these birds can eat it directly from the feed trough. So the adjuster no need to move anymore. It will put in this place.
Sunny, why your manure belt design this shape? Why not a straight line like this?
We designed the manure belt connection part into a trapezoid. Compared with the straight line, it can increase the stress area and extend its service life.
How is the speed?
It's working 2 meters in 1 minute. If you have no idea how to start the chicken raising business, just tell us. We'll make the cage solutions and house design drawing for you according to your chicken number. No worry about the feed. We'll tell you. No worry about the electric power. We can help you. No worry about the installation. Our engineer will teach you. So, don't be hesitant. Just contact us quickly.